Another quick tip is with the letters, guys, and this is really the meat of this video. This is a tip that will definitely increase the rate of your letters being opened. Hey guys, it's me, Rob Nichols, your Boston-based real estate entrepreneur, and today I want to talk about prospecting to distressed sellers, guys. And specifically, I want to give you something free. So listen to the end of the video if you want a free piece of material that will help you close more deals. And if you follow this advice, I promise you, it'll increase the amount of leads that you're getting from your prospecting in real estate for distressed seller leads today, guys. So what I'm going to share with you is a distressed seller letter. And so the letter that I've written, guys, really kind of hits the seller two ways. It hits them emotionally in the heart, but also with numbers in their head. And basically what I'm trying to say is that anytime you have a seller who wants to sell their home, obviously there's more to it than just the number. So you want to make sure you build in credibility. You show them that you're a real buyer. You're doing this. You're buying several homes a month, so you're a credible buyer. And then the second piece is that you want to let them know that you're understanding of their circumstances or situations. If they're in distress, there's probably a lot more to the story that you need to be sensitive to in the way you write your letter. So you really want to hit them in the heart and let them know you have their best interests at heart, and you're not all about just buying the house cash. We buy houses cash. I mean, come on, guys. That's not something that is really gonna be the most effective way to appeal to a seller in a tough situation on its own. So you got to be realistic about that. And so, like I said, you want to hit them in the head, you want to hit them in the heart, not hit them physically, but provide something that speaks to their intelligence and gives them the credibility. And then secondly, that you also understand where they're coming from. If you want a copy of my free letter on prospecting, there's going to be a link below this video that you can download, and click on the link. You'll be able to download the letter for free, customize it, make it your own. And I hope it helps you grow your real estate business, guys, because it's definitely important that we prospect consistently, but you also want to work with something that's been tried, tested, and proven. Another quick tip is with the letters, guys, and this is really the meat of this video. This is a tip that will definitely increase the rate of your letters being opened. Send a handwritten envelope. The letter doesn't have to be handwritten. A handwritten envelope with no return address on it, guys. That will definitely get a seller's attention. Imagine if you get a letter in the mail and it has a handwritten envelope with no return address. You're definitely opening that letter, guys. No doubt about it. So hope you found this helpful. I'm Rob Nichols, your Boston-based real estate entrepreneur. If you're feeling these videos, feel free to subscribe, share, and as always, stay tuned for more.